Hey fam, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing my Try Beauty box for October 2021. Now I know we are in November. I did not receive this until the first week of November. I'm thinking there must have been some shipping delays or something like that. But this is intended to be my October Try Beauty box. So if you're curious about what's inside and this video sounds interesting to you, go ahead and stay tuned. We're gonna get into it right now. Now before we get started, the look I'm wearing today, I created with the GlamLite Chocolate Martini palette. I do have a video on this look on my channel. It should be up before this one, but I really like how it turned out. But now let's see what Tribe sent. So it looks like everything is in this one little bubble wrapped pouch, which is pretty cool. The box does include this little card that has all of the products and their prices on the back, which I appreciate. And the first product that I see in my box is this one from Suva Beauty. This is the Glossy Lamination Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in the shade Fictional Reality. So the shade of the lipstick is this pretty raspberry shade. I almost feel like I have one either in this exact shade, though the name does not sound familiar at all, or something very close. So I think I'm gonna set this one aside for my next giveaway. The next product that I see in my box looks to be skincare. This is from the brand Able Skincare London. It is the 3-in-1 Glycolic Acid Molecular Boost Eye Serum. Hallelujah. The one skincare product that gets me more excited than any other skincare product, besides maybe like a cleanser, I do love cleansers, is eye cream. I have a ton of masks, moisturizers, and serums, facial sprays, all kinds of stuff, and I feel like I don't go through them as quickly. I don't have a ton of eye serums or eye creams. And eye cream is something I use every time I do my makeup. It's something I use after my shower every night. And they're always in smaller components. So I feel like I go through them a lot more quickly. So I'm really excited to see this eye serum in my box. This is something I'll definitely get a lot of good use out of. And I hope it works well for me to help with fine lines and moisture under my eyes. I also did receive 2 masks in my box. The first one is from We Glow. This is the Rich Collagen Face Mask. It's got collagen, licorice, apricot, cucumber, and grapefruit. It's supposed to help with oil control, brightening, moisturizing, nourishing, tightening pores, and firming and toning your skin. One face mask as one of my 6 products, I gotta call BS. I'm sorry. Unacceptable. If this is to be a full-size product for a $40 box, $35 plus $5 shipping, this is unacceptable. This should be a box of face masks. And we got a second sheet mask. This is from Purlisse. This is the Coconut and Rice Nourishing Sheet Mask. It says this natural fiber mask infused with coconut, rice, and restorative Asian botanicals delivers antioxidant and minerals to your skin. This power blend soothes and nourishes while fighting free radicals and improving skin texture. Coconut locks in moisture while rice brightens, leaving skin healthy, beautiful, and radiant. So again, it's nice to get face masks, but out of 6 products, if we have like the lippy, the eye cream, and this is product 3 and product 4, it's just not okay. It's not okay. Especially for a box that's so much more expensive than BoxyCharm. And I love me some Tribe. I love that they're indie brands. I love it's a lot of women-owned brands. I love that it's a Canadian subscription box. I think that's really cool. I think their customer service has always been really great. I usually really love the product offerings, but I don't think a single sheet mask should count as a full-size product, in my opinion. However, I do have to give Tribe a lot of love because they did put out something on Instagram. When it was time for choice, by the time I got in to make my choice, pretty much the only highlighter that was left was a purple one, which I don't wear a lot of colorful highlighters. I do have one on today. I have a light pink one on. Pink's like my one exception, but I don't wear a lot of like green and purple highlighters. Maybe like an inner corner if I'm doing like a fun colorful look, maybe I'll pull one out, but I wasn't like that thrilled about getting a purple highlighter, even if it was from a brand that I love and was very excited about, like Nomad. However, I saw their post on Instagram that they did find a couple extra of a different color highlighter, and they were allowing people to change their choice on a first come first serve basis. And so I did write them and they were kind enough to change my choice. So mad love to Tribe. I typically do really love their boxes. I'm just like I said, just 2 masks isn't really like a good second and third product. This is the Sydney Bathers Balmoral Beach Highlighter from Nomad Cosmetics. And this is what the component looks like. However, the mirror has come unattached from the cardboard, so I'll just have to glue that back on myself. Could have happened in the mail, I'm not really sure. But that is the highlighter color. It looks really, really beautiful. I also really love peach highlighters. Anything pinky, peachy, champagne-y, or like light gold, I typically like to use this highlighter. So I think this is really beautiful. I like this a lot better than the purple colored highlighter, but the fact that the packaging is falling apart is, I mean, it's not ideal. And then our very last product in the box is an eyeshadow palette. This is from Lurella. This one is called Totally Tubular. I believe this is supposed to take a lot of references from the 80s. It does have an outer sleeve that slides off. However, mine did arrive with the mirror completely shattered. So I think what I'm gonna do is take the sleeve from the eyeshadows and tape it over this mirror because I don't wanna get glass in these eyeshadows. It's terrifying. This is a really beautiful palette. It's very colorful. It's got very cute names. This is a really beautiful color story. I think all these pops of color are really pretty. The shimmers look really interesting and beautiful. It's a shame that the mirror was broken, but I am happy that I have a bit of a solution. I think if I tape over it, I'll feel a lot, more comfortable about keeping this palette. And I certainly wouldn't give this to one of you guys with a broken mirror. If I get glass in my own eyeball, that's my problem. I don't want to send something to you guys that's got a broken mirror. So I am looking forward to trying this out. I think it's really pretty. It's probably more of a summer palette for me, something I might pull for at that time. And this one I'm sure I'll play with a little bit more when I'm in a colorful mood. So that was my Try Beauty box this month. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Myself, I'm excited with the product offering. I think getting the eye cream is really exciting. I think getting a liquid lipstick from Suva Beauty is really cool. It's not a color that I typically love, and I already feel like I have one from Suva Beauty that's very close to that color. So I will be passing that one along. The 2 sheet masks, like I said, it's just too small of a product to be including in a $40 subscription box when there's only 6 products. So I don't think that was cool. But I do think they were wonderful with their customer service. I was super happy to get that Nomad highlighter. And I think the palette from Lurella is really, really beautiful and fun. And since I was born in the 80s, it's just very nostalgic to me. I really love the theme, and I think the color story is beautiful. Very excited to play with that one. To quickly go over some prices, the Totally Tubular palette retails for $29, which is really surprising. Our Nomad highlighter retails for $17. This is the Sydney Bathers highlighter. The Able Skincare Eye Serum retails for, holy cow, it says USD $160. Somebody's trying to get $160 for this little tiny tube of stuff. I need to look this up. Well, I'll be darned, it's 111 pounds. So I think that would translate to around 160 USD. That seems insane for this itty bitty teeny tiny tube of product from a brand I've never heard of, but perhaps in the UK, this is like a huge brand that's got a lot of recognition. I don't know, but I guess it makes a little bit more sense now with the face masks because this was such a hefty product, but I don't know. At the end of the day, I'm still just getting 6 products. So I don't know. I don't know what to think. I'm going to guess that Billy was trying to hook us up with this really bomb eye cream. And maybe after I use it, I'll be like, you know what? Thank you for the face masks. This was totally worth, like 3 products. The Purlisse Moisturizing and Brightening Sheet Mask retails for $6. And our We Glow is also a $6 sheet mask. And then lastly, we have the Suva Beauty Fictional Reality Lipstick for $18. So I'd love to hear what you guys think. How would you have felt receiving this box? Would you like these products? Were they exciting to you? I find Tribe to be kind of always exciting just because of the indie nature of their subscription box. Indie makeup just always makes me so much more excited than mainstream. I love that this whole subscription box essentially is like supporting small businesses in a way, including the subscription box itself, which is female owned. But some ones are definitely bigger hits than others. And I'm so curious to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. I thank you all so much for being here with me today. I love you all so much, and until the next video, bye.